Let's be honest for a second. If you ever thought everything has already been said, so what's the point of posting? If originality feels intimidating, exhausting, or just out of reach, you're not alone. Most creative entrepreneurs don't struggle because they lack ideas. They struggle because they think originality means reinventing the wheel. And that belief, it's silently killing their content confidence. Ciao y'all, I'm Kiara, content marketer, AI-powered content strategist, coach, and the founder of the Museum Creative. I help creative arts entrepreneurs simplify their content marketing, amplify their voice, and grow a sustainable creative business without burning out or sounding like everyone else online. Today, we're breaking down the second pillar of my SONYA Framework, originality. And if you'd like to learn more about the framework, watch this other video where I explain all about it. I'll share the link below. Here's a myth we need to dismantle first. Originality means being completely new. That's not true, and believing it creates pressure, perfectionism, and unnecessary headaches. True originality isn't about new information. It's about perspective, context, lived experience. You don't need a never-seen-before idea. You need a distinct point of view based on your beliefs, core values, and expertise. Most creatives get stuck trying to be original because they consume too much content, they compare their ideas to bigger creators, they assume confidence equals originality. So they either overthink every post, rely entirely on AI and feel disconnected, or stop posting altogether. Originality doesn't come from pressure, it comes from clarity plus intention. Original content usually does one or more of these things: explains a familiar idea in a clearer, more personal way, challenges a common assumption, applies a concept to a specific niche, shares a lesson learned from real experience. Your originality lives in how you explain things, why you believe them, and who you're speaking to. In other words, stay true to your personality, share your point of view, and offer valuable support to those you serve. Let's talk about AI, because this is where a lot of fear shows up. AI doesn't kill originality. Unedited AI does. Here's how I use AI without losing my voice. I use it for research and idea expansion. Choose one angle that aligns with my beliefs. Add personal context, examples, and nuance. Remove anything that sounds generic, impersonal, or vague. AI gives me a starting point, but I bring the personality and meaning. That's originality, and that's what you should double down on. In the SONYA framework, strategy gives direction. Originality gives distinction. It's what makes someone think, this feels like it was written for me. And when originality is grounded in strategy, you don't need to shout to stand out. So if you've been holding back because you don't feel original enough, let this be your permission slip. You don't need louder content, you need truer content. And if you want help using AI in a way that supports your creativity, not replaces it, grab my free guide below, 5 AI-powered solutions for creatives who dread marketing. In the next video, we'll talk about nuance and why adding depth is what turns content from fine into unforgettable. So make sure to subscribe and join the Museum Creative community for more content-driven strategies like this. That's all for now. Hope this video has inspired you, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!